आपका नाम क्या है?
Shiva.
शिविया.
Shiva.
शिवा.
Yeah.
शिवा. His name is Shiva. अच्छा नाम है.
From Nepal.
नेपाल.
Yeah.
Oh,
Indian
wow.
chef. Yeah.
Amazing.
Indian chef. I'm Indian chef.
Yeah, the
from
food is
Nepal.
amazing.
Yeah. Okay.
Soft dish है.
Now
मुझे
in
Indian food
Zambia,
बड़ा अच्छा.
almost 13 years.
13 years.
Yes.
Wow. अच्छा.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Yeah. अच्छा. Trusted दोस्तों. It's Whelman and I'm with my friend David over here.
Hi guys, how you doing?
So guys, we're going to be trying chicken biryani for the very first time. You guys said we should try chicken biryani. It's here. We have the chicken biryani, but I don't know why this is. I haven't yet tried it.
Yeah,
we
I think
have
these
some
are-
curry
these
and
are
pudding.
carrots.
I don't know if they're carrots or what, but we are yet to try them and see how the food will be. Yeah. So, and guys, this restaurant says 3 cuisines. If you're here in Chingola, there's Chinese, Indian, and Zambian. All the cuisines are here, but we decided we have to try Indian food and give you a new flavor because you said try non-veggie biryani. We couldn't try mutton biryani because I don't eat meat. As you know, mutton is meat, so we went with chicken biryani because I eat chicken. So let's dig in. Bro, yeah. Okay. Okay. Some biryani. Biryani. Let me get a spoon. Yeah. Okay. Let me see this. So I don't know why this is yet, but I'm yet to try. I couldn't even find any chicken.
Yeah, so I would like to mix the stuff. So just put on top of the biryani.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so we have chicken, which is over here, and we have the biryani, and I don't know why this is yet to try.
Yeah. So like he did that. I would like to mix up the stuff. So as you see, I think it will go. It will make a tasty dish here. When I mix the two, the biryani and is it the carrot sauce? I think yeah. So yeah, let's dig in.
Yeah, we are Desi boys. We eat with hands, as for me, but I don't know about him.
I'm not actually eating with my hands, so I'll prefer using a fork. Yeah.
Okay, for me, we dig in.
Yeah. So
Spices medium. We said we need medium spices because I don't eat very spicy food. So this one is very good.
okay, guys. I wouldn't like to eat this. The food is so tasty. I'm enjoying the food. You should try out the biryani if you haven't tried it before. Yeah, the food is so tasty. I'm enjoying it.
Let me try the chicken because I've heard a lot about the chicken. Soup dish hai.
Yeah, the food is so nice. I can't stop eating. The food is nice. What do you
Dosto?
think, Wema?
It's great. It's great, Dosto. Try this. मुझे बड़ा चेक खाना बहुत पसंद है. Guys, this food is so good. Let me try this.
And for the spices, they are just mild. They are not that hot. They are not that chilled. Yeah, they're just mild, just there on point.
Yeah, that's why we were given this, so that if the food is spicy, we can pour this and it will be sweet. The pudding, guys, pudding. It's here, pudding. So let me just put a little bit. So if you wanna know the restaurant's name, it's Zyka restaurant. It's based like in Chingola, and it gives like the best Indian food because like I'm enjoying this. Now let me try this because I don't know if it's spicy or not.
Yeah, so let me also get a little bit of chutney because yeah, I need to try it out so that I can give it a review. let me not add a lot because I don't know what I'm adding. This is for the first time, so I might add something that I won't eat. I'll end up throwing the food, so let me just try it. Yeah.
I think it's not that spicy, but just the flavor of the food, I guess. The flavor of this. I don't even know what the name is yet. But
yeah, for me, I find the chutney to be tasty and spicy at the same time. Tingly. Like, I don't know if I added a little bit of ginger in here.
Let me try.
Yeah. So yeah, it's tasty. As you can see, mixed up. I got the carrot sauce and the chutney, so I mixed them up. Let me try out. Yeah. So like after mixing the two, I think they're going way far. The spices and mixing the two flavors, it's nice.
Okay.
These things are tasty. Try out. Yeah, let me get this.
Yeah, they're okay. They're okay, not bad.
So yeah, let me get the spoon so that I can eat the pudding, because as you all know, I can't use the fork for the pudding here. So yeah.
How's everything now?
Okay, I find the food interesting because I'm surprised. Why was I not to recognize such tasty food? Because like I'm enjoying the food. You can even see the smile on my face. Yeah, I'm enjoying the food like heck. So yeah, guys, need to try out this food because this food is so tasty. What was I eating? Not to know this food, way man. Because the food is so tasty. I can't stop eating. I'm salivating right now.
Yeah, chicken biryani. Totally recommend it. It's good. You decide whether it should be spicy or not. But the medium spices, they are fine, and I totally recommend the food. So make sure you try this food. It's very nice, tasty, delicious, bro. Make sure you try. Hey guys, so this is the only biryani we are remaining with, and I'ma put it on my plate. So far so good. The biryani is done. We have another biryani which is done, which I ate.
So you guys, yeah. So like, Wayman is wild for the biryani. So like, can you just see he completed his own thing and he's here for another one. So like, okay guys, I have never tasted such tasty Indian food in my life. This one I'm coming out true. This food was tasty.
Yep, 10 out of 10.
These guys, I won't even beat around the bush. This dish is getting a 10 out of 10 for me.
Authentic Hydrabadi biryani.
Yeah.
Authentic Indian food here in Africa, bro. Authentic. You know, anything cooked by an Indian, it has, that hand of love, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but the food is just 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
exquisite.
Like, the food is just well cooked, not undercooked, not overcooked. Yeah, just well cooked. Like
spices, everything.
Yeah,
the flavor, good. Though we haven't just completed this because I don't know what it is, but I'm already eating it.
Yes, so like the sauce here, this was it had a lot of spices. No wonder we're given the pudding here so that with a sour mix we can neutralize the spices here. Yeah, these spices were hot, so like I just got a little. Yeah, but I enjoyed them. They are healthy. Yeah.
I need to finish cleaning my plate.
Yeah, let me finish eating also. Yeah.
Wow. So guys, this here is the final review of the food. The food has been amazing. Chicken biryani, totally recommended by Wayman and
David. So like you guys, I'm in love with the biryani, and I promise I'll come back for this food. Cause okay, it hasn't quenched my taste for the biryani. So I'll come back for more because the biryani was tasty. Not now, but I'll come back later for the biryani. I'm in love with the dish. Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the chef. If you are here in Zambia, please make sure to come try chicken biryani at Zyka restaurant.
Yeah.
The food is so amazing, and here's our chef. He said it all. The food is amazing. He's from Nepal, and all the Nepalese fans, this is Mr. Shiba. He's the amazing chef here in Zambia. We love you all. See you next time. Peace out.
Oh.